입맛은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Hindi ko maiwasang mainis na makita ko siyang nakikipagtawanan doon sa lalaking yun. Para nga siyang tutoy sa paningin ko. But, she's here now inside the jet. No one guy will go near here. Kung bakit ba kasi sobrang ganda niya at maraming lalaki ang nagkakagusto sa kanya. Damn. Subukan lang nila ay baka mapatay ko silang lahat. Shit. I have never imagined na magkakaganito ako dahil kay Venice. But damn, Gio. Kung sinabi mo lang nang nararamdaman mo sa kanya, edi sana tapos na. Ngayon ka pa't natakot. Fuck. Hindi ko mapigilang sumulyap sa pwesto nila ni Charlize. Nasa pinakadulo sila at ganon din kami. She sat there first at sinamahan siya ni Charlize. Naiinis na naman siya siguro sa akin dahil sa panghihila ko sa kanya kanina. I was jealous kaya ko iyon ginawa. I saw Charlize sleeping at siguro pati na rin si Venice. Kinuha ko ang coat ni Charles na nakapatong sa magkabilang seat and I went to the girls' table. Pinantong ko kay Charlize yung coat ni Charles at yung coat ko naman kay Venice. Tsaka na umalis. Hindi ko alam na si boss na walang kinakatakutan sa kamatayan ay takot magtapat ng nararamdaman. I heard Doval said, "Sira ulo. Limayri trying to stop Doval." So bakit nga, boss? Rochi, mind your own businesses. Nagsitinginan silang lahat at napailing-iling. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit hindi ko masabi sa kanya. Damn, hindi ko ini-expect na ganito kahirap magtapat. How many times na nag-attempt akong sabihin, pero nabablangko na lang ako kapag kaharap ko siya. How I wish ganun na lang kadaling sabihin yun, but fuck, it is not. Torpe. Nagtawa na naman silang lahat dahil sa sinabi ni Charles. Boss, bilis-bilisan mo naman. Mahirap na ang mahuli. I know what I'm doing. O sige, bahala ka. Tapos nagtawanan ulit silang lahat. They really like to taste me. Pasalamat sila ay pagod ako. Kung hindi, baka nag-skydiving na sila ng walang oras at walang parachute. I slept for an hour at nagising ako nang maglanding na ang jet. I saw Venice and Charlize sleeping. Nagsama ang mga tulog mantika. I slightly tapped Charlie's cheek pero hindi ito magising. Ako na dyan, boss. Doon ka na lang sa labidabs mo, Doval. Fuck off, Doval. Charles being overprotective. Hais, easy. Ayoko lang siyang magising. Ako nang bahala. Sabi niya. It's obvious that he likes Charlize. Just tickle her ear, utos ni Charles. Hindi ko na lang sila pinansin at lumapit ako kay Venice and tried to wake her up pero mahimbing pa rin siyang natutulog. I carried her slowly and went out of the jet. Sina Doval at Charlize ay nagkakagulo na sa loob. As far as I remember, Charlize does not want to tickle her ear or else she'll go crazy and punch you hard. Siguro gano'n na nga ang nangyayari sa loob. Fuck you, Charles, sigaw ni Doval. Serves you right, asshole. Mateo. Si Mateo talaga ang nagsasabing kilitiin ka sa tainga. That damn hurts, Doval. Nagpapailing na lang ako dahil sa mga kalokohan nila. The cars were waiting for us outside. Sumakay ako sa Ferrari ko with Venice sleeping at the backseat at nagmamaneho na pauwi. Napapangiti na lang ako dahil sa kakaiba ang babaeng to. She's so damn special to me. I remember the day when she was training. I'm not going to lie that I become harsh on her. Ang sabi ko nga ay hindi ako papayag na magiging madali ang training dahil gusto ko siya. Nope. Kailangan niya talaga masaktan in order to grow. Kailangan niyang mabalibag, masuntok at masipa para sa totoong laban ay kaya niyang tapatan yun ng mas malakas. I hate to hurt her, really, but I was just preparing her. I just did my part. Naging mabilis lang ang training dahil mabilis siyang matuto. Nagkaka-amnesia lang siya pero ang kanyang katawan ay hindi. I mean, she was trained by Ismail Maximilian Kensley, aka Zam Kensley. Kaya malamang ay alam niya na ang ginagawa niya. She's also a sharp shooter. Mas magaling pa siya sa mga 4 kong kumag. On how she did it, I don't know. I didn't train her when it comes to shooting a gun. She's already good at it. I am so proud of this woman. She's truly brave. Mas lalo niya akong pinapahanga at mas lalo ko siyang nagugustuhan dahil doon. Oh my God! Napatingin ako sa rearview mirror dahil sa biglaang pagising niya. I thought nasa jet pa tayo. Bakit hindi mo ko ginising? I did. Tumaas lang ang kilay niya at napapahilamos sa mukha. What time is it? She asked. I looked at my wristwatch. 5 AM. She heaved a sigh. Almost 13 hours din ang flight. Quiet lang at masakit sa ulo. Sa bahay na lang ako uuwi, she said. She moved in her house months ago. She was not alone in her house though dahil nagpapadala din ako ng mga maids and guards na magbabantay at tutulong sa kanya. I won't allow her to live alone without securities, even if she knows how to take care of herself. Hindi pa rin ako mapakali. Kung pwede lang, nasa bahay niya rin ako. Matulog ay gagawin ko. Mabantayan lang siya. I shook my head. Just stay in our house for a while. I just want to be with her bago matapos ang araw na ito. Sige, she said at sumandal na lang sa upuan. Hindi nagtagal ay nakarating na rin kami sa bahay. Pinagbuksan ko siya ng pinto at sabay kaming pumasok. Mom and Dad were not here. Nasa Europe sila to manage our business there for the meantime. Good morning, Mr. Grimes. Pinaghanda ko po kayo ng makakain. Baka po sakaling nagugutom kayo. The maid said. Tumango lang ako at humarap kay Venice. Let's eat. Tumango siya at ngumiti. She's not mad at me anymore, I guess. That's a good news. Dumating na rin ang 5 at sabay-sabay na kaming kumain. When we were done eating, ay dumiretso kami sa mga kwarto para magpahinga. I took a quick shower at pagkatapos kulang when someone knocked on the door. I didn't mind to wear anything, just the towel wrapped around my hips. Baka kasi Charles lang o si Mayre. To my surprise, it was Venice na nakapagpalit na rin ng damit. She's staring at my topless body now. I pursed my lips. Titig niya pa lang para na akong kinikiliti. Shit. I cleared my throat to get her attention. I saw her face blush. I wanted to laugh, pero pinigilan ko. Ibabalik ko lang sana to. Sabay abot niya sa akin nung coat ko. Come in, I said at niluwagan ko ang pinto. No need, just get this. Napangiti na naman ako ng palihim. She's still blushing. What's on your mind now, Venice? I turned my back on her. Put it in the bed, then utos ko. Wala lang, I just want her inside my room. Aish? She stamped her feet pero pumasok na rin siya. I went to my closet at doon ako nagsuot ng pambaba. I don't mind if she's here. My God, Gio, what are you doing? She hysterically said. Putting my clothes on. I know, but I'm still here. Pwede namang mamaya na yan. So you want me naked when you're here at mamaya na lang magbihis when you're gone. Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I will take this off. Akma ko na nga tatanggalin ang sinuot kong boxer nang magsalita siya ulit. Damn, she's so cute. That's not what I meant, bastos. Hindi ko na napigilan pang tumawa. Naglakad siya papalapit sa pinto pero inunahan ko siya at humarang doon. Stay, I said. What? No, I'm going to behave. Tumaas ang kilay niya. Papalabasin mo ako dito, Gio, o baka gusto mong makatikim ng kamao. Umiling-iling lang ako. You're not gonna win, pang-aasar ko. Come on, Gio, gusto ko nang magpahinga. Ngumuso naman ako yung kama. You can sleep in my bed, rest here. No. Parang dati lang gustong-gusto mong katabi ako. Pinamulahan ulit siya ng pisngi. Dati yun, iba ngayon. I place my hand on my chin. What's the difference, Watson? Delikado. My forehead crease. I won't hurt you. It's not that. Then tell me. I might do something you won't expect, Mr. Grimes, so please, palabasin mo na ako. She said as fast as she could, but I still managed to understand. What kind of something is that? I tease even more, though I already have an idea. In fact, ako itong nagpipigil. Damn woman, you're making me crazy even more. I laughed hard this time. Ano ba, Gio? Naiinis niyang sabi. Okay. Hindi ko alam na pinagpapantasyahan mo pala ako. What a naughty woman. Hahampasin niya sana ko but I caught her hands and pulled her closer to me. I don't mind you doing that to me every minute or do more than that, baby. To be honest, I like the idea. Bulong ko. Sige nga, sample. I added and laughed hard dahil sa itsura niyang gulat. Wala akong time sa mga kalkuhan mo, Grimes. Okay, fine. Let's be serious. We looked at each other's eyes. My heart started racing again. I prepared myself for this for a long time, but every time I started my tongue does not cooperate. But I guess it's working well now. I stared at her beautiful pair of arms. I reached her face and cursed her cheek with my thumb. I don't know what you did to me to become like this. When you came into my life, you changed every bit of me. You broke the walls around my heart that I built. Just like that, you're the only one that made me confused about the feelings. You're the only woman who make me do anything I don't usually do. I give her a small smile. Nakatingin lang din siya sa akin. Nakikinig. Nakakaawang ang labi ng kaunti. That invites me to kiss her but I stop myself. I'm done yet. But trust me, you're making me happy. So damn happy. I couldn't explain how. Just by saying you and being with you. And you're the only woman who makes me say things this, but I don't care anymore. I swear, ilang beses ko na itong gustong sabihin sa'yo, but I guess I was not that brave enough to let you know what I feel. I took a deep breath. Hindi ko alam na ganito pala nakakakaba ang mag-confess, but it feels so good at the same time. I love you, Venice. I've never imagined saying this to a hard-headed woman like you, but this is it. I will do everything for you. I promise to protect you with all my heart and love you with all my heart. Tears started falling from her ears. I wiped it away. I love you. I love you so much. Mas naging tripli ata ang pagkabog ng puso ko. She hugged me tight habang umiiyak pa rin. Damn, Why is she crying? May nasabi ba akong mali? Hey, did I say something wrong? She shook her head. Then, why is she crying? Humiwalay siya sa yakap. She placed her hands on my face and kissed me. Medyo nagulat pa ako, but eventually, I kissed her back. Her lips was so soft and her kiss was so good. Mas pinalalim ko pa ang paghalik and she gave me the same fire I am giving her. I bit her lower lip and she let out a soft moan. Because of that, I got to explore inside of her mouth and taste everything there is. Humiwalay siya sa halik when he needed air. Her arms were still around my neck, habang ang kamay ko rin ay nasa baywang niya at ang isa ay nasa gilid ng mukha niya. We stared at each other, then she's giving me soft kisses na siyang ikinangiti ko. I love you too, Gio, she said between kisses, and that was the most wonderful thing I've ever heard in my entire life. What did you say? I love you, Gio. That fucking sounds great. I pulled her again and began kissing her for the second time. I am just so fucking happy. Posible palang makaramdam ako ng ganitong saya. Ito na siguro ang pinakasayang araw na nararasan ko. I am so in love with this woman. She smiled after the kiss and hugged me again. I kissed her head. I am so damned happy, I uttered. Thank you, Venice. I kissed her forehead. She smiled habang nakatingala sa akin at yakap ko pa rin siya ng mahigpit. This is not just a dream, isn't it? Tanong ko. Natatakot na baka panaginip lang ang lahat. Kahit panaginip man to or hindi, my feelings won't change. Mahal pa rin kita. Ang sarap pakinggan. My heart is beating fast as hers. I hug her tighter. I kiss her forehead again, her nose, and lastly her lips. Thank you for coming to my life, I whispered. Thank you for welcoming me with a gun. She laughed a little. Not gonna happen again, I know. I smiled like an idiot upon remembering the very first day we met until this night. Marami na rin pala kaming napagdaanan, but look where we are now. I'm so happy that Venice happened, that she came into my life and everything appears perfect for me as long as she's with me. Magpahinga na tayo, baka may magising ka pang iba dyan, I said. Kumunot naman ang noo niya, pero hindi nagtagal ay nakuha niya kung ano ang tinutukoy ko. She smacked my arms. Pervert. I just chuckled. She was about to go, but I carried her and placed her on my bed. Stay here, Venice. Behave, Gio. No, you behave. Talo ako pagdating dito. Mahirap na. Baka hindi ako mapigilan pa. I just hugged her again. Mahal kita, I whispered. Mas mahal kita, she answered. No, I love you more. She chuckled. She just gave me a peck on my cheek, and that made me smile. Ang competitive pa rin hanggang dito, Mr. Grimes. Okay, fine. Mas mahal mo ako kaysa sa mas mahal kita. I really can't stop smiling now. I pulled her closer, more to my body. I know from this very moment, I already got the best and she's right here beside me.